Okay, so I was talking about the Lumen 5. Let's quickly look at how you can use that to create a video for yourself. So for me, I've already logged in, so I will need to create an account. So I want to log in. Uh, Let me see. Okay, right. I've logged in now. And when you come, these are some videos, draft videos. So when you come here, you tap on new video. So new video, then you have various templates that you can use. How do you want your this thing to show? Various templates that you can use. There are a lot of them. So you can click and then have a preview of how things go. Okay, so I want to use this template. Okay, so how do you want to get started? One is either you want text or media. That is, you have your video and then you see the text rolling. You see some on YouTube, right? You see the text and then there's a music in the background. Bang, bang, and then you see the text will be rolling. That is one. You also can have one where there's an AI voiceover, like I showed you, like this one. Like this one is an AI voiceover. And then we also have voiceover. That is, you can upload your own voice. That is, you can generate the script, you talk or you speak into the mic, you record, and then you upload it with the video. And then you can also upload or record your own head clip, you talking. So for now, I'd want us to use this one, AI voiceover. Then you can try the others. Pam. So here, the most simple one is to outline an idea. So here you want AI, you want the platform to generate the content for you and use for the video. So what do you want to talk about? I want to talk about play-based learning. What would the video be for? The video will be for social media. Then What are some of the things you want to see in the video? So meaning of play-based learning. Meaning of play-based learning, benefits, benefit of play-based learning, um, technologies. Because I'm a technology person, I want to look at technologies that can be used in play-based learning. You can click here to add more of the outline of the script. So you can say criticisms, or let's say disadvantages, criticisms of play-based learning. Okay, so I want to generate video for this. You say compose script. Now here you can set your duration, but okay, if you want higher plans, higher this video will be about 1 minute, but if you want more, then you need to buy a higher plan, but you can create a 1 minute video. So this is the text it has given you. Meaning of play-based learning, benefit of play-based learning, technologies, criticism. So let's go to continue. Okay, so now it has generated the videos, that is the storyline, the storyboard for the video. Each um, box is a video. It's a video slide. So let's go to convert to video. Okay, so I also use this tool to reduce the size of videos. It is called handbrake. Okay, so now the bot is generating the videos and the text. Says I should give it time. Good. Now it is done. Now it is done. So you have the opportunity to edit. Have the opportunity to edit. But I just want us to use this. You can also add an outro. So let me click on publish. You can have the opportunity to preview before you publish. So So it is now downloading. Okay, so as it continues to download, I want us to look at uh, the video for you. What the session we had, I recorded it and then has changed that to a video. Okay, so this is the raw. This is the raw video, and the size is 995 megabytes. Then I used this tool. The tool is called Handbrake. This tool. I use this tool to reduce it to this new size. This is the new size, 57 megabytes. So this is also a tool that will be very beneficial. If you have a video, those of you who teach distance, you want to put a video in your slides, or you want to send a video to someone, you can reduce the size before you send it. Yeah. So that you can use that tool to do that. It is called Handbrake. So I'm sharing with you. Okay, so I'm done. I'm trying to. I'm now waiting for this to finish downloading. All right, so now our video is done. Our video is done. So I click on download, or you can also click on edit to edit the video. So download, and it has downloaded. This is the video. Okay, so that is it. I will send you the video of how I created this, and then the video of the product. That is the file, the product file. Thank you.